In this video, I'm going to show you how we can edit in a single line. Assume that we're having our edit text view, which is having maybe match parent and wrap content, and that's it. So sometimes let me give you some margin, 10 dB. Okay. Sometimes we need the user to enter only a single word, to enter only a single value, or not multiple lines. Assume that you are asking for username. Okay, text. Okay, let us give you a hint, and then say we're asking just for what? For username. So this username, we may not want the user to enter multiple lines. So what is the better way, or want the user to be pressing enter and be able to accomplish this input? But the question is, like, what is the better way to do this? Let me enter here username, and here maybe password. Okay, so I'll run this application. Okay, so you see, when you enter here the username and you put Mohindo, example Mohindo, still you see the user will have ability to do what? To enter new line. So if we want to limit that feature, what can we do? So one of the people, someone can say that we can use max lines, and then we limit to what? To 1. Max lines and limit to 1, so that the user should be able to put only a single line. But the reality is, even if you put max line and make it 1, but still you'll find the user will be able to input new line, but you might not see it, though it will be limited to what? To 1. So let me show what I mean. Orientation vertical. So we're having here the username and password, and it is compiling and the application is loading. There we're having, you see, max. So you can put here neighborhood, but still when the user clicks enter, our word, it is going on top there. See, it is going on top. If you scroll on top, you'll find that it is there, though we are able to see only max line at one time. But if we want the user to enter exactly a single line without using the enter, and maybe to be able to navigate to password here using the keyboard of this button, using this button on the keyboard. So to do that, we simply specify the type of data to be entered in this in this view by simply putting text, input type attribute. So if you press Ctrl and space, you'll find different suggestions of input types that you can have. So I'm going to say this input type should have maybe username. Do you have that? No, but you can have name, or we can have text. So if you put text, then it will allow user to enter a single line text. And then here you can put, maybe here can make it input type, and make it maybe text password. And then let us run the application to process. And then we'll see the output. So I'll click on username. Now you can see here it is having the ability to kick me to the next one. So if I come to here, for example, mobs, and then if I click on this, you see, I click on this, there's no more new line. If I click on this one, it will push me to the what? The next input, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, and there is a ability for me to get done. So when I click on done, the keyboard will be hidden, showing that I'm done with this form. So how do we do that? We do that by simply specifying the input type. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, and don't miss the next video. We are going to look at the text watcher. Yeah, how can we watch at multiple text inputs in a simpler way? Don't miss there.